What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the new leaks which is coming for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Samsung Galaxy is in a rumor mill recently and new leaks have arrived every day, and today is not a different day. A new case render for the upcoming Note 20 and Note 20 Plus have been surfaced online. These case renders provide us some incomplete schematics of the device, and these leaks appears on Alibaba. Some sellers have listed already the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus cases online. So if you look at these render images very closely, and you will notice that screen of the device has been left for your imagination that what kind of a screen will be looking alike. But we have backside which is pretty much accurate about the design of the backside. And speaking of cases around the sides, we will notice that the side will have a volume rocker and a power button present on the right side of the device, and also around the edges of the device you will notice that we have limps on the four side of the device that will help us to prevent and secure the damages which are caused by the drop of the device. Another thing which is noticeable that Samsung isn't going crazy for the curvedness, but they have a really small bezels than usual. These are all the Note 20 Plus render cases which have been surfaced online. Moving on towards the Note 20 cases, you will notice that there are sides which are placed around the screen, which means that we may see a flat screen in the upcoming Galaxy Note 20. Moving on towards the other images, you will notice that we have a case render for the bottom of the device, and on the bottom of the device you will notice that there is going to be three holes are present. One is going to be a USB-C port, one is for speaker grill, and the last one is for the S Pen. There is also one hole which is also present on the bottom of the device, and that hole is for the microphone. Do keep in mind that these case renders are not 100% reliable, and we may see some changes in upcoming days. There is another leak which is coming around for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and a Z Flip, and this leak is coming from the 3C Chinese certification, which not only reveals the battery capacity of Note 20 series and Z Flip, but it also provides us information regarding the charger which are coming inside these devices. So if you look at these Chinese certification very closely, you will notice that this year the Note 20 battery will have more capacity than the last year, but the charging speed has not been upgraded. According to the lead certificate, Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will have same charging speed of 25 watt, which we have already seen in the Note 10 series. Also this year you will notice that it is coming with 4300 mAh of a battery for Note 20 device, while Note 20 Plus will have a 4500 mAh of a battery. So this time around we will see a less battery difference in both the vanilla and the Plus model, and if leaks are to believe, there is only going to be a 200 mAh of a difference between both devices. One surprising thing which is coming inside the certification is about the 45 watt charging support has not yet been mentioned in the Chinese 3C certification. So I firmly believe that this time around the device is going to be supporting 45 watt of fast charging inside the device. According to the leaked image from Chinese 3C certification, we will see a Galaxy Z Flip with a model number SM7070 which have a code name Bloom X has also been spotted on the 3C certification, and the device will have same specs in terms of internals, but only two changes will be included. One is going to be the processor, which is expected to be upgraded from 855 Plus to Snapdragon 865. Second one is the battery. The leak shows that this time around we will see 100 mAh of a less battery capacity than the non-5G models which have already been launched. The 3C file reveals that 2500 mAh of a main battery, while 704 mAh of secondary battery which is paired with the main battery. And when we add up both of these battery capacities, you will notice that it is coming with a 3200 mAh of battery capacity inside. Samsung report says that the upcoming Note 20 series will be carrying with some of the 108 megapixel camera sensor which have been seen in S20 devices, while another new upgraded 108 megapixel camera sensor which Samsung is working on, and it has a code name ISOCELL HM2 sensor, may not be included in this year Note 20 devices. In fact, this year the first device which is coming with this new sensor is going to be from Xiaomi. According to report, this new sensor is using a nanotechnology which help us to have a large pixels to get a better light absorption, and it will give us a nice images for this sensor. So overall I feel Note 20 will have more powerful and high end if rumored are to be believed. So guys, these leaks are not very much accurate, so take these leaks as a pinch of salt. So that is it in this particular video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.